I got involved in Main Street, one, because one of my good friends who was on the board asked me to, but two, it was something that I wanted to do. We moved into the district whenever we started our business, and it was actually because of a food truck festival. And we went, and it was the most perfect day out, but it was also the most diverse and interesting crowd that we had seen at any of the events in Tulsa. And we just felt comfortable. After a couple of years, had the opportunity to serve on the board, and I've been on there for 5 years since. What makes me most proud of being with Main Street is that there's transformation. Our Main Street started in 2010. I believe the occupancy rate of the district was only like 18 or 20%. We've been pretty much bumping right at 100% occupancy since about 2019. Whenever our business set up, we helped revitalize the whole end, one of the last remaining parts of the blocks that had not been revitalized. We worked with the property owner to help do all of the storefronts, new lighting, and again, that was just a huge transformation. My favorite thing about Main Street is that it's comprehensive and it thinks about the whole community. Winning the Great American Main Street Award was really the culmination of a decade of focused work, investment, and intentions, and really just caring about a place. With Main Street, a lot of times it's about that intentionality and saying that this place really matters and that we want to invest. We want to spend our time and our money and our efforts making this place better. And so winning that award, you already know at that point that you're doing great things, that it's the public recognition of that comes with it.